Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí iléeṣẹ́ wa. Ọ̀dẹ̀ ọ̀dùn bí ṣe dáadáa la bá yín. Yoruba nation ló lè ṣe, Yoruba nation no going back náà ṣe ni. A kú oríire o ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá. Oríire yìí á bá wa kalẹ̀. Ní báyìí ó ti wá dójú ẹ̀ báyìí. Ó ti wá dójú ẹ̀, gbogbo àwọn gómìnà ìlú yìí gbogbo wọn ti jáde síta. Tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ bó ṣe ń lọ lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ẹ̀ rí pé àwọn Fulani yìí wọ́n kàn ń pa àwọn èèyàn ṣeré ní Benue. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe ń pa wọ́n lọ́tún ni wọ́n pa wọ́n lósì, wọ́n ṣe ń pa kúkúrú ni wọ́n pa gíga ní Benue, bíi pé kò sí nǹkan kan tó lè ṣẹlẹ̀, kò sí nǹkan tó lè tẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ yọ. Àwọn máa ṣe yamayàn, wọ́n ṣàn ṣe yamayàmá ṣá. Ní báyìí bá ṣe ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo àwọn gọ́vnà wọ́n ti gbáradì láti ran gọ́vnà Benue State lọ́wọ́. In fact, gọ́vnà Benue State fúnra ẹ̀ gan ó lóun gan òun ò kéré pé ní báyìí pé enough is enough, pé òun ti bá àwọn Fulani ìṣeré jù. Ó dàbí pé wọn ò fẹ́ mẹgbẹ́ wọn, pé kò tẹ̀sí wàhálà, pé ń sìn yìí o pé òun fẹ́ make sure pé òun tákù wọn. Wọ́n ti pa àwọn èèyàn jù ń Benue, kí ló dé? Wọ́n ṣe ń pa wọ́n lọ́tún ni wọ́n pa wọ́n lósì, kò dẹ̀ sẹ́nì kankan tó ń sọ̀rọ̀. Ní báyìí gómìnà Benue State ó ti jáde síta wípé òun ò ní bá wọn ṣeré mọ́, òun ò dẹ̀ ní gbà mọ́. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ṣe ti wá rí báyìí pé ó ti wá ń dojú ẹ̀, oníkálukú ti ń lajú sìn, ojú everybody ti bó. Since ojú everybody ti bó sìn, everybody ti ready àti mọ gbogbo nǹkan, wọ́n ti ready fún gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń sọ ń gbà pé àpé no going back. Gbogbo wọn sìn nídìí ká ṣe máa fà wọ́n. Àwọn gan wọ́n ti ń pariwo látẹ̀yìn wá pé no going back lọ̀rọ̀ yìí, lẹ́yìn tó ti rí pé gàrí paint rubber gàrí ti wọ 4,000 láti 1,000 láti 400 naira ó wọ 4,000. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ti wá rí pé bọ́n ń jí àwọn èèyàn gbé lọ́tún náà ń jí àwọn èèyàn gbé lósì, wọ́n ti rí pé kò ṣeré mọ́. Nǹkan tá à ń sọ gangan nìyẹn. Yoruba nation no going back, exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yeah, so now this is another strong one that is reaching us. The governor of Benue State finally is ready. In fact, he is set to fight for his people. He's set to deal with this Fulani Paya S-men. Let's use it in that way. Now, talking about the insecurity, according to the governor of Benue State, he made it clear, we are running out of patience. Governor Alia warns criminals. All right, my brother, my sister, the news in details. Onto this Benue State Governor, Reverend Father Saint Alia had declared that his administration would no longer have the patience to continue with the ends of fellowship extended to criminals in the state. Consequently, he stated that he has ordered full military intervention that will tackle the insecurity in the troubled Okum local government area of the state. Governor Alia gave the declaration in his broadcast to the people of the state on Thursday night over the crisis that rocked Okum local government area a day earlier. It will be recalled that Okum local government area erupted in a crisis on Tuesday when some local militias by people at Ayati village in the council, followed by a violent protest that led to the destruction of personnel and then government properties worth hundreds of millions of naira. Well, meanwhile, following the crisis, Governor Alia declared a curfew in the affected local government area while addressing the people of the state. On Thursday, the governor said his government was intensifying efforts to collaborate with the security agencies to bring the perpetrators to justice. All right, and then he further said that his administration will soon set up a commission of inquiry to investigate the remote and then immediate causes of the mayhem. The governor commiserated with security men who sustained an injury while keeping the peace during the violent protest. According to him, the mayhem caused by this heinous act of violence has not gone unnoticed, and then I stand with you in condemning these atrocities. Well, meanwhile, full military intervention has been ordered. My heart goes out to the 3 soldiers and then 2 police officers who were wounded in the line of duty protecting the lives and then properties of citizens in Sakara. I am happy to report they have all been treated and then discharged. All right, my brother, my sister, this is another strong one. What is actually reaching us is that our government right now, they are ready to face it squarely. No more joke any longer. No more sleeping. When you sleep away your glory, your destiny. Now the governor is out, and no, it's no longer a joke. He has seen it that no, the way they are buying his people is too much, and he is not ready. He's no longer ready to keep mute. He's ready to speak out, and he's ready to fight for his people. Enough is enough. The former governor of Benue State, Governor Eyin, he actually tried his best, but no, I think to the Fulanis, they believe that his best is not enough. Well, the fact now remains that as far as this Yoruba Nation movement is concerned, we are fully ready. No going back is still what we have on mind. No going back, no shini. Either they like it or not, Yoruba Nation shall be actualized in no time. That's exactly our prayers. That's exactly what we have been talking about. Majority of people are still of the opinion that as far as this country is concerned, some set of people they are still like maybe restructuring will make it better. Thank God the major people who have been disturbing and hammering on this so-called restructuring, they are the people that are benefiting. It is not more than that. There are some set of people that are benefiting for this Emilokon government. How many are they? Few of them, but they will still tell you that yes, so it is one Nigeria and the rest. But my brother, my sister, don't ever try to imitate such people, because they know their way. But you are just coming up, my brother, my sister, face your own way. That's exactly what we are talking about. Still on the matter, Yoruba Nation, no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.